I like what you said, that there's just 9 areas for us to focus on, and when we focus on the small areas that create alignment, then everything just flows naturally and life becomes effortless. So how did you uncover which specific areas we should focus on?
You know, when you take your car to a garage, and if I take my car to the garage, maybe pistons in your car, in the engine are not working. Maybe the brakes in my car are not working. A good mechanic is going to scan through every area of your car to find out what needs to be aligned. So you always approach these 9 areas from creative skepticism. And creative skepticism is really about the state of checking very carefully what may be out of alignment. And when you approach it from that space, you will find things that need to be aligned in every area. Maybe some are very easy, some are a little difficult, low-hanging fruit, mid-hanging fruit, high-hanging fruit, but you will get your answers if you just run through and scan through these 9 areas. So the question really here is, it's not which area, the question is examining all of the areas and finding what needs to be set right in each of the areas so that they support each other, and in a balanced way, the vehicle called life gets underway, just like your car. As long as the engine is aligned, in its tune, it has enough oil, as long as the brakes are working and everything else, your car works brilliantly and effortlessly.